Hey, this is Seth with Circuit Board Medics. Today we're going to walk through the removal and installation process for the Powertrain Control Module on a 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150 with a 3.7 liter engine. To remove your ECM, you will need a 10mm socket and ratchet. This is for disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing the module. A small extension. This helps give easy access to the module mounting screws. A plastic pry tool. It's not essential but recommended. This is useful if you are having trouble removing the ECM from the firewall. Before you begin removing the module, we'll start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal with our 10mm socket. Then we will give the vehicle at least 5 minutes to allow all residual power to dissipate. This helps protect you and the module during the removal process. Next, we will move over to the ECM, which is located in the firewall in the passenger side of the vehicle. Disconnect the electrical connectors by pulling the locking tabs back. Once you have disengaged the locking tabs, simply pull the plug back and move it out of the way. If there is a ground strap connected to one of the studs, use a 10mm socket to remove the nut and move the wire to the side. Then you should see two 10mm bolts on either side of the module. Carefully back these out and set them aside. Finally, pull the ECM out of the firewall. If you are having trouble getting it out, you can use your pry tool here to help. Before we reinstall the ECM, let's talk about your replacement options. You could purchase a new dealership part, but those often carry the same design flaws that cause your current module to fail. You could also take a gamble on a used part, but you run the risk of the module already being damaged, and in either case, you would need to have the module programmed to work in your truck. Or you could repair your original module, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle and skipping costly dealership programming fees. At Circuit Board Medics, we repair your original module with upgraded components, giving you better than new performance for a fraction of the cost. Our service is specifically designed to give you peace of mind. Simply find your part on our website, purchase our repair service, and send it to us. Once we receive your module, we will rebuild and test the module completely, replacing all known faulty components. Once you receive your module back, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Now that you have your repaired part back, let's reinstall it in your vehicle. First, fit the ECM back in the firewall. Be sure to align the holes on either side of your ECM with the holes in the firewall. Next, secure the ECM in place by screwing in the two 10mm bolts on either side. Now we are going to reconnect the ground strap by placing the ring terminal back on the threaded stud and securing it with a 10mm nut. Then we are going to reconnect the three electrical harnesses by pushing them straight into their respective connectors and rotating the locking tabs toward the ECM. Finally, we're going to reconnect the negative battery terminal. To make sure everything was installed properly, we want to begin by turning the key to the on position. Do not start the truck yet. Your check engine light should illuminate. This verifies that the ECM is receiving power. Then we're going to start the truck. The engine should catch smoothly without excessive cranking. Now carefully take your vehicle for a test drive to verify the engine is running and shifting as it should. If you need your module rebuilt, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more professional repair guides from Circuit Board Medics.